So hi guys, I am HRITIK YADAV. In this video I am going to teach you one of the hardest question which is appeared in digital SAT. So I don't know what students say, they consider this type of question as hardest, but what I think is you can do this type of question in just some seconds with using Desmos. Okay, so how can you do in Desmos? I'll just show in the video. So before that I want to say one thing, that you can do this type of question manually in copy as well, or in in scratch paper, but I highly recommend that you must do this type of question, this all type of function question in Desmos, because what it will do is it will uh, give you more time to think in the other question which is the most hardest. So this type of question you can do easily in the Desmos. So without delay, let's go through the question what it is saying. So if x minus 5 by 5 equals to x minus 4 upon 3, the value of x minus 4 is between which of the following pairs of values? Okay, so what it is saying that we need to solve this equation, and we need to take out the value of x, and then we'll put this value x here, and we'll minus by 4, and we'll need to see the value of this x minus 4 lies on between which of this pair value. Okay, so what we'll do here is in this most shortcut we'll do x1 minus 7, we'll just copy from the question 5, and then we'll put regression, and then x1 minus 4 by upon 3, and as you can see that we got the value of x1 so easily and fast. And now we'll minus or subtract from minus 4, x1 minus 4, and as you can see that we got the value of x minus 4 as minus 4.5, and this 4.5 minus 4.5 lies on which pairs, or between which pairs? So as you can see that minus 9 and minus 4. So this is absolutely correct, because as you can see that minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 4.5, and then minus 4 it will come. Okay, so it lies between minus 9 and minus 4. So what we'll do here is our answer is A. Okay, let's check another option as well. So between minus 1 and 1, so it is option is wrong, because as you can see it's minus 1, then after it will come 0 and then 1. So no, this won't be our answer. B. 2 and 5 no, 7 and 11 no, because it is in the negative value. So minus, our option is A. So hope you understood this question, and if you have any doubt or any of the question which you felt the hardest, then you can comment down below. I'll try to solve this type of question in next video. Thank you.